So I needed a battery hold down clamp, and I went to the auto parts store, and all the plastic ones and stuff that they sell, the universal ones, they don't really fit very well, and they actually cost quite a bit for what you get. So I just went to the one of the local scrap yards that still lets you pick parts, and just picked up this battery hold down strap. It was all really corroded and rusty, and so I just cleaned it all up. I hit it with some self-etching primer, and then I used hammer-on paint. It gives it kind of a hammered look to it, and it came out pretty nice. And especially for the price, it was only $5, but you know, the paint was more expensive, but I already had that on hand. Even painted the rods because they were kind of starting to rust, so I just cleaned them up, hit them with some primer, and then painted them also. So I'll go ahead and just install this and see how that looks. So I figured I'd give you a shot. Here's what one of those universal ones look like. It's just made out of plastic, and they're okay. I mean, they do the job. They hold the battery in, but they're kind of expensive for what you get. Alrighty, so I got the new one in place, and it came out looking pretty good. Anyways, so maybe just get a old one, clean it up, and make it look better than the original one did. Anyways, if you like this video, maybe give me a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.